Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Holden Cruze CD sedan, stock reference number 4427. This shape runs from the third month 2011 through to the first month 2017. It has an F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, right hand fog light with surround, left hand fog light with surround, left hand headlight, left guard has one small dent, left power door mirror does have some peeling on the base. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch 5-spoke alloy mags with a PCD of 105. Left front has a bald tyre. Both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Left hand boot lid garnish, right hand boot lid garnish, right hand tail light, right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right hand guard appears to have no damage, and a right power door mirror also has clear peeling on the base. We have the power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, manual type console, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, touchscreen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.